Harness part number 123-100-022. This is the chassis harness for a PinPoint 3 on a Rogator C series. This is just sitting on the tailgate while we're waiting for the machine. So we have our ground stud, we have our power stud. Come over here, have a CAN terminator that is spliced in to the connector that goes into the ISO CAN port on this hub, which is gray keyed connector going into here, 12-pin Deutsch. Second connection we have is the pressure flow plug. So we have the flow meter signals coming in here. We have a pigtail coming off of this, which we will plug directly into a pressure sensor so that we get pressure into the hub. And then the last connection up at the top of this is going to be our servo, the 2 wires for driving the pump. The rest of the connections on this will all need to be capped off to be weatherproof.